Hello everybody, my name is Walter, and today I want to show you how you can build my simple 3x3 double cave door for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. In case you're looking for a showcase or world on, you can find both linked in the description. But let's get started. So this build here is in total 9 blocks high, 7 blocks wide, and the build itself is just 5 blocks long, but obviously you need the front and the back wall, so it makes a total length of 7 blocks. To build this, you're going to need these resources here. So of course some building blocks, then 22 redstone dust, 6 redstone torches, 2 observers, 18 sticky pistons, and a lever as an input. And if you actually want to have the lever somewhere you can reach, you're going to need some additional redstone wire and maybe a repeater. Yeah, with that said, it's time to show you how to build this door here. Now the first step is marking the middle of the door at floor level, like this here. Once we have that, we need to go 2 blocks down, and that is where we need a 5 wide strip of blocks, like this here. Then at the second and fourth, place blocks to the front and the back. And then top all of those here with wire. Like that. Now, add a sticky piston in this gap there. And then diagonally out, we need 2 more. And then the same at the front. Like that. That's all of the circuitry for the bottom done. So let's just add the rest of the floor here. Then we have a raised block here. And a raised block on this side. This will be our input for now, so let's place the lever there. You can see this is already working. Now, torch on top, block on top, torch on top, block on top. Then we have our sticky pistons to the front and the back of this torch here. And that's already the side done, so again, we can put in the missing blocks here. Over here, we have pretty much the same, so torch, block, torch, block. Then our 2 sticky pistons. And then the rest of the wall here. And if we now trigger this, you can see this is already working quite nicely. Now it's time for the top. On the left side, we just add 2 wire. And then a block here. Then we go 2 up temporarily. So we can place our double piston extender. Then to the front and the back, a block, or a sticky piston in this case. Then diagonally out, 2 more. And the same over here. Then over there, we add another torch, block, and torch. Then we need an observer looking up, like that. And then another one looking at the first observer and running the sticky piston at the bottom there. Then add some wire here and a full block there. Now let's put in the missing blocks of this ceiling here. And finally we have wire going up from on top of this piston here all the way to the top of this one here, and then one to the side or the front, and then here to the back. That should be all. So let's see. Okay, this is looking good. The back is also looking good. And it's also opening properly. Okay, and with that, the last part is just putting in the front and the back wall and relocating the lever. Just like this here. I also decided to add a little sea lantern in the middle there, so it lights up that space here and keeps mobs from spawning, but that is entirely optional. Now, one last thing I should mention here. When you are relocating the lever, make sure you are not redirecting the wire here or over there from running into the blocks. In this case, I'm using a repeater into the side of the block here. But you could, in theory, also, let me just quickly grab those 2 here, just run the wire diagonally along this edge here. That would work as well. And yeah, with that said, we've reached the end of this tutorial for my simple 3x3 double cave door for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I wish you a nice day, and well,